This is Mitali here from Fabulous You, and this video will be mixed collection of sale video and also fresh stock. So today I'll be showing you shrugs and little coats and all mixed collection. It will be price starting from just 499. So booking number is 9711195266. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also do follow my Facebook page. So we will start off with 499. If you book single piece, then you need to pay for the shipping. If you book more than 2 pieces, then shipping is free. So here comes the first piece. बहुत ही soft piece है, देखिए, it's extremely soft piece, and the size which will fit, it comes with the zip, and the size which will fit 34, 36, 38. The size which will fit 34, 36, 38. बहुत ही ज़्यादा warm piece है. Okay, extremely warm piece. It is like this. 34, 36, 38 can go for this. So here comes a party wear shrug. ये देखिए, इसमें बहुत प्यारे silver buttons है. And this one, the size which will fit. So the size will be 38, 40, 42. The size will be 38, 40, 42. You will be getting buttons like this. मैंने थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे डाला शायद, हाँ, 38, 40, 42 में रहेगा. ये सारे ऐसे बटन इसमें रहेंगे. It's a very very smart piece to carry off in your party wear dress to cover up for just for 499. So here comes a lovely mint color में 44 to 46. ठीक है, 44 to 46 में रहेगा. ये देखिए ऐसे है, and it comes with the zip. It comes with the zip. 44 to 46 can go. बहुत प्यारा lovely pretty color है. 44 to 46. It comes with the pocket also. Okay, you can take the screenshot just for 499. So this one is a very cute shrug, and this one, the size which will fit, the size is 34, 36, 38. 34, 36, 38. Okay, the size which will fit 34, 36, 38. बहुत प्यारा piece है. Please, I repeat again, price is 499 plus shipping for single piece. अगर आप 2 piece book करेंगे तो shipping is free. I am showing mix of sale and fresh stock in the same price itself. So here comes a चिता print jacket, and इसका देखिए ये आपका जो size रहेगा. So this is a very lightweight. ठीक है, ये it is warm but it is not cotton. ये आपको warm भी रखेंगे. And the size, ये थोड़ा summer jacket है, मान के चल सकता है. The size which will fit 32, 34, 36. The size which will fit 32, 34, 36. ठीक है, ये ऐसे रहेगा. 32, 34, 36 can go for this beautiful cheetah print jacket. So here comes in black color. ये देखिए black color में रहेगा with beads. Pearl beads में है this one, and this one, the size which will fit, this is also in party wear, the size which will fit 42, 44. The size which will fit 42, 44, 46 को भी जाएगा, but इतना fitting अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. 40, 42, 44 can go. 40, 42, 44 can go for this. It comes with the zip, और सारे zips ना बड़े solid zips है. So here comes again a beautiful piece. ये भी आपका देखिए ऐसे pearls उस पे रहेंगे. This one, the size which will fit 40, 42, 44, 46. Okay, 42, 44, 46. बहुत प्यारा piece है in blue. ठीक है, 42, 44, 46, 48 को भी जाएगा क्योंकि shrug type ही है. The 42, 44, 46 can go for this one. So here comes a beautiful sleek brown color. This one, the size which will fit 38, 40, 42. The size which will fit 38, 40, 42. Back आपका adjustable है, आप ऐसे tie करके you can just style it. Okay, 38, 40, 42. ये सारी सूट्स के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. देखिए कितना sleek piece है, but it is warm. 38, 40, 42. So ये देखिए, ये बहुत ही प्यारा सा dress coat you can say. Just to clear the stock, I am giving it for 499. Very pretty in purple color. And the length of this coat, it is mentioned as 7 years. ठीक है, it is mentioned as 7 to 8 years. And the bust size is still 28 comfort fit. Okay, bust size is 28 comfort fit. End to end 30 आ रहा है. So for the comfort fit, it is still 28 to 26, 28 आराम से चले जाएंगे. And the length of this is 27. Length of this is 27. Very cute. खाली आप ये पहनाइए एंड स्टॉकिंग्स एंड छोटी सी क्यूट सी बूट्स पहना दीजिए. इट्स वेरी वेरी स्मार्ट पीस. So this is also in the same pattern. ठीक है, this is on the same pattern and इसका भी bust size 28, comfort fit and length is 28. ठीक है, bust size also 26 28, length is also 28, back side is like this. ठीक है, इसमें pockets भी है, इसमें pockets भी है. ठीक है, so it is like this. So here comes a green long shrug. ये आपका long रहेगा, which the size which will fit आपका 42, 44, 46. The size which will be 42, 44, 46. ये आपका स्टाइल के लिए ही है. ठीक है, and it is warm also. बहुत लंबा है. It's a very long one and it's a very very smart piece. So now from here it is 599. Okay, 599. बहुत प्यारा पीस है. Lovely color, lovely green color. And it's a long piece. आपका 42, 44, 46 को चला जाएगा. 40 को भी जाएगा. So here comes a lovely blue color and इसका जो मुझे properly fit आ रहा है and I'm wearing sleeveless. So my bust size is 38. So अगर आप अंदर स्वेटर के साथ डालते हैं then in that case 34, 36. Comfort fit will be 34, 36. Very very smart coat. 34, 36 को जाएगा. अभी just for 599. Okay, 34, 36 को जाएगा. Very smart blue color just for 599 for this. So here comes in charcoal gray. Charcoal gray में रहेगा 36, 38. Okay, in charcoal gray you can grab this piece for 36, 38. This is a coat. Okay, this one is also a coat. Blue one is also a coat. 36, 38 can go for this one. Okay, it's a very dark charcoal color. Just for 599. So here comes a very very smart piece. ये देखिए, ये आपको खाली 699 पे आ रहा है. It comes with the hood. Just to clear the stock guys, मुझे तो स्पेस इशू हो रहा है. That is the reason. 699 with hood में आपको मिल जाएगा. Very very smart piece and the size which will fit आपका 38, 40, 42. The size which will fit 38, 40, 42. Very smart piece. 699 plus shipping for single piece. And if you book 2 pieces, shipping is free. This one also is a very very smart piece and ये देखिए, it's a very very smart piece, very extremely soft. And this one the size which will fit आपका 38 भी चला जाएगा. Like you can wear like a loose fit also. इसमें buttons वगैरह है. And this one the size, actual size which will fit 42, 44, 46. Okay, actual size because it is stretchable also. 42, 44, 46. It comes with the hood. It's a बहुत प्यारा piece है. Very very pretty piece and extremely soft. 42, 44, 46 can go for this. Just for 699 free shipping. So these were the collection which I showed of mix of sale and new in the same price. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.